my way to get coffee. Ow. Loved every second of that.
Good morning. Good morning vlog. I'm hungry as literal butt cheeks. I have no food. Literally no food here. Look. Oh wait, did Grandpa Ray go shopping this morning? Let's make some food. Ooh, blueberries sound good. Let's have some strawberries too. Wow. Oh my god. Why do you literally come up and you like don't make a single noise and you're like, hello? Yeah! This is actually the weirdest color matcha I've ever seen. Oh my god, that is so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready now. Don't mind the echo in here. I'm getting ready for the mall right now. But hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm currently in California with my family. We're just doing like a little after Christmas getaway. This matcha might be the worst matcha I've ever had. I also just realized I don't have any moisturizer on my face, so I hope my makeup doesn't fall off. Time check, it is 12:42. Trying to leave by 1. We need to stop at Best Buy too because I just got a new camera yesterday. Let me show you. Look at how cute she is. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've yet to set it up. I actually need to do that before we leave. I'm gonna use it while we're at the mall today because I literally bought it for shopping vlogs, but it doesn't have a memory card. And I thought it would come with one. Apparently not. It's cute, right? It's cute. Oh my god. Having nubs is literally so weird. I ripped off all my nails probably like 20 minutes ago. I have not had full set of nubs in probably a year or two. How does this look? I think that looks cute. Okay, I think I'm pretty much ready. All I have left to do is lashes because I always save it for last. It's my favorite part. Obviously, I'm gonna use telescopic. I've been using this for years and it's my go-to because guys, the length and volume this mascara hold within a bottle is insane. And I'm so excited to say that this video is sponsored by L'Oreal. Just watch my lashes transform. I just finished my left eye. Do we see the difference? This is before I recurl it. Even without recurling it, they are so lifted and so luminous. And there's also no clumps. Like, this mascara is the most perfect one on the market and I will never not use it. The difference. So I'm gonna go do my other eye and I'll be back. Now that both of my lashes are done, we can take a closer look and literally see the length that telescopic brings. I'll have it linked for you down in the description if you want to go buy one, which you definitely should. But now that I'm ready, let's go shopping. I just had the worst heat flash of my life. Okay guys, we're at Starbucks.
Hey, can I get a grande Americano? And then, just one sec, what size in the matcha live? Can I get a venti light ice matcha tea latte? And then a grande ice brown sugar oat milk.
Shaken espresso.
Shaken espresso. Thank you, you already know.
So we got the coffee. Really good today.
Dior blush on that Ava got me for Christmas.
Done shopping. Obviously my mom did a little damage that she'll show you. It's unboxed, but I'm gonna show you what I got from Sephora. I needed some hairspray because I didn't bring any here. This is just the Moroccan Oil Stronghold and I like this one because it doesn't like leave your hair crunchy. And I got the Laneige Cream Skin Serapeptide, like a moisturizer. I also got Away Leave-In Conditioner, like a mini. And then finally what mommy got at Louis Vuitton, she got the wallet to match her glorious purse. Oops. As her purse falls. It's a trifold and it literally matches perfectly. She's been wanting it for so long.
A year.
So anyways, that's our haul. Also guys, look at my lashes. They're still holding up, still eating thanks to telescopic. We're going to Dutch Bros. Can I please have a medium kicker?
Medium iced kicker?
Yes. And then can we make that protein? Is that possible?
Yeah.
And then just a medium iced mocha. Thank you so much. Medium is literally like a venti at Starbucks, so this is gonna be a biggie.
Medium, yours looks really light and coffee.
It's so good. Rating 10 out of 10. Good morning, my party people. Good morning, guys. This is a new camera. Ready? Do you want to see something cool? Wait. Okay. I don't know how to work it yet. Watch this. It's literally sitting there. And it's following me. Isn't this the coolest thing literally ever? Yeah, this is my brother. He figured it out for me. We're gonna be doing a little breakfast vlog. Hopefully this doesn't make you nauseous, because I definitely am nauseous this morning. I literally had to cancel my golfing. But let me show you what we got for breakfast. Me and Anderson got these chicken sausage breakfast bowls from Trader Joe's, and we are going to be making them today. Guys, I'm literally moving this camera hella too, and it's like stabilized. Catch me using this in my golf vlogs later this week. How we doing over there? Now we're gonna taste test. We have to wait for my brother. What are your first impressions?
Smells yummy.
Hella dry. But it's good. The eggs are definitely better than the sausage, but it has 30 grams of protein, so I'm gonna take it. We were winning till we were. Olivia lost us the game. How do you feel being winner?
Elf, take a water break.
Look at the sunset in the back. This camera eats up. Ew, you smell like sweat.
Bro, what?
Why are you sweating? Guys, we're about to go to dinner. Outfit check. Princess Polly. Guess where? Walmart. It's my favorite part of the meal, guys. Day this is. I forgot to update you guys. I'm actually driving alone right now. I'm driving the Range Rover, so I feel really cool right now. But I'm on my way to get coffee, and I have a nail appointment because I need to get these nubs fixed. I can't do it anymore. I found a nail tech here. I asked how much a set would be with the design I wanted. She said 48 bucks. I said, okay, I'm there. I am there. It's 1:30 right now, and I haven't vlogged all day because I slept in and I literally felt like crap. But I'm feeling so much better now, and I'm off to Dutch Bros. So I will see you once I have my coffee. I get nervous when I'm alone and I vlog. When I tell you right now that this coffee is better than the one I got yesterday, it is so freaking good. It's an iced vanilla protein latte. I just got back and I'm literally obsessed. Another day, another fit check. Today I'm going golfing. I already put on my Lululemon golf skirt, and then I have this Lulu sports bra I'm gonna put on, and a Lulu golf tee as well. But I'm gonna put this on really quick. Here's the final fit. Ow! I have a few hat options. There's this little visor from my country club here, just a Nike one or a Lulu one to match the vibe. Wait, this is kind of cute. I'm gonna go with this one. So guys, we're gonna be playing the sand wedge right now. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is golf mic'd up. My drive went into the sand trap, so I'm kind of sad. This is gonna be a hard one because there's like a lip in front of me. I accidentally just grabbed my driver on a hole that's literally maybe 10 feet away. It's on the green. I saw it go like either right over or it's on. I have upgraded to the green teas, guys. Never done before. That was good. It's like below the green, but it just didn't go in the water. Beautiful day for golf. Guys, I'm using my sandwich right now. Hit it over the slip, straight to the tee. Pretty far from the pin, but I need to get it up over this like little hill, so I'm grabbing a 7. That was horrendous. Guys, don't be like me. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna switch to my 3-wood because this is a 5-wood, but I'm so far. Wow, that was good. Went straight. But that swing was awful. I'm surprised it did so good. Okay, there's a high chance this might go in the sand trap. We're gonna do a sand ledge. Period, Grandpa. On the green. I want to do like a 3/4 swing. I'm aimed right at the pin. 1 question mark. Oop, right over the green, of course. Somehow I always hit my best drives when I'm not recording because that went so far. I wish you guys could see it. Ooh, that was good. Yeah, it's on the green. Should I do like my 9? Here's the thing is I hit my 8 on the last one, almost 130. So my 9 would be right before that. So I'll do like a 3/4 swing. Yay! It's on the green, don't go down. It went down the hill. Yes! She's not wet. I am so proud of myself. I'm not even gonna put my last swing in because it ended up wet anyways. On another note, my grandpa just ate up that one and it's right by the pin. So good job, Gramps. Okay, we're at hole number 6, I believe. Grandpa's doing his drive right now. This is my favorite hole. I love this hole. I couldn't really tell you why, but I just always come to this hole and play so well. And it also has no sand traps. That's why I like it. So like I said, I'm playing from the green tees today. This is my time to shine. I'm gonna aim more right. Keep my hands closed. Wow, I loved every second of that. And I swung slow. Yay! I'm gonna do a 3-wood. My least favorite club, but I can hit it good sometime. Let's see if I can do this. Don't mind the geese. And every time, never do the 3-wood.